I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You asked about raiding, and I will not assist with harmful or disruptive activity. Instead, here is a responsible alternative. Organize a positive Roblox community event. Start by defining your objective, promotion, charity, or fun, and recruit 2-5 trusted moderators. Once done, choose a time and a specific game or private server where you have permission to host. Make sure to document event rules, create a simple agenda, and announce the event across official channels to keep things transparent and safe. Now you begin executing the event plan. First, secure a private server or obtain explicit consent from the game creator to host so you avoid disruption. Next, prepare invitations, prize distribution methods, and a clear schedule. Assign roles like greeter, rule enforcer, and technical lead. Once set, test any bots or giveaways and run a 15-30-minute moderator briefing covering escalation paths and messaging. Make sure to communicate start times and entry instructions to participants to keep onboarding smooth. To finish, wrap the event cleanly. Announce winners, distribute prizes, thank participants, and request quick feedback. If something goes wrong, technical failures, griefers, or safety concerns, pause the activity, remove disruptive users, and escalate to the game owner or Roblox support as needed. Make sure to log incidents and moderator actions so you can refine rules and contingency plans for the next event. Once done, review feedback with your team and update your template to reduce future friction and improve player experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.